Hello everyone, this is Ms. Ba from KCS Kasinada College. Today's topic is training and its methods. Now first, what do you mean by training? So training is nothing but it is a process of developing their employee skills and knowledge to improve their job performance in the organization. And now coming to the definition of the training, it is the act of increasing the knowledge and skills of an employee for doing a particular job. Now next, methods of training. So there are two methods of the training. So the first one is on the job training and the second one is off the job training. And in on the job training, the training is provided within the organization. And in the off the job the training is provided from outside the organization. Now first one is on the job training. Here the training is provided within the organization, that is in the work spot of the employee. And the following are the methods of the on the job training. So they are coaching, understudy, job rotation, apprenticeship, vestibule training. And now first one is coaching. So coaching, here the trainer. So the trainer is the senior employee who is going to provide a training, that is providing a direct instructions to the trainee. So here the trainee is junior employee. So here the senior employee or the supervisor provides direct instructions to the trainee. And second one is it is a one-to-one interaction. And third one is here the trainee can clear his doubts, and as well as the trainer can identify their weakness and strength and focus on the weak areas which it needs to be improved. And second one is understudy. So here also the supervisor is the trainer and the subordinate is a trainee. So here the supervisor provides training to a subordinate as his assistant, and the trainee would take over the role of the senior employee after the training period. And now next one is job rotation. So job rotation means here the employee is transferred from one job to another for a fixed period of time. So the reason is the employee should become versatile and the organization should be a flexible one. So here the employee is shifting to various jobs. And now next one is apprenticeship training. And in this apprenticeship training, the theoretical instructions and the practical learnings which are provided to the trainees in the training institutions. So for example, it will be suitable mostly for the carpenters, plumbers and electricians. And finally, the last one is vestibule training. This type of training is conducted within the organization and it will be like a school. So it will be also called as a vestibule school training. So here the training is provided in a training school which is run by the company. So why we are saying vestibule school means here the atmosphere is similar to the real job environment, as the same type of equipments, tools, noise, lighting, etc. So which is very similar to the real environmental job. And here also the trainee will be the senior employer, the trainer will be the senior employee and the trainee will be the junior employee. And now next, off the job training. So here the training is conducted away from the job location. So the following are the methods of the job training. The first one is discussion method, field trip, lecture method and e-learning method. Now first one is discussion method. So discussion method is defined as a group work which is using various techniques to attain the organization goals. And these methods are effective because a lot of the trainees are there, so they are all think constructively in the same time. And next one is field trip. So field trip or the field worker training. So here the trainee will be away from their normal environment. So the purpose of the trip is usually observation for the education, non-experimental research, or to provide the students with an experience from outside the current environment. And third one is lecture method. So here the trainer provides information to the trainees through oral interaction. That is, the lecture will be given by the experienced employees or by outside experts, and also they will provide a training materials in the form of printed notes or CDs. So it is like a classroom training. And finally, the last one is e-learning training. So that is a computer based training, or we can say video based instructions. Here the training will be provided through computers, and the lectures also delivered through computers or smartphones, as well as through videos, that is YouTube videos also. Now we are going that only. So based on the various jobs, videos are also be prepared and exhibited to the trainees. So it is a very interesting method when we compare to the lecture methods. So these are the methods of the job training. Okay, thank you.